In the Outback Organics range, we've got a collection of aftercare products that you can select to use for your clients once you have completed their waxing service. I'm going to run through each of those and show you what they look like and which body part they are suitable to use on. Before I go into the options for aftercare, just to highlight the importance that once you've finished your wax, you need to re-cleanse the area just to make sure that all body fluids like plasma or blood spotting have been removed from the skin before you apply your aftercare. So for the legs, for example, we've got the post-wax lotion, and in here you've got a really beautiful aroma of lemon myrtle and rosehip. So rosehip is also present in our gel cleanser. So this is just carrying on with the concept that we are softening and hydrating the skin. So it's a very, very soft, very light liquidy lotion that absorbs very quickly and very easily into the skin. And the main area to use that would be for the legs. The other option we've got to mention now is post-wax spray. So post-wax spray is a preventative product and it comes in a spray. It's water-based, so it absorbs very quickly into the skin, and it does have a high level of lemon myrtle. So this is a product that is a preventative. This will prevent the follicle from getting an infection or an irritation following a waxing treatment. So particularly good for male upper back and chest areas that tend to be a little bit prone to breakouts after they've had a wax. It's a great home care product to introduce to your clients as well to use after their shower for the first 3 days. So this can also be used on the legs if your clients tend to come up in the red dots following a leg wax. And once you've done the post-wax spray, that's when you can put the post-wax lotion on top. Then we've got the bush balm. So bush balm is a thicker, quite rich cream that doesn't have any aroma. And it's specifically good for the intimate area. So you can see there it is a little bit thicker in consistency, and it's brilliant to use on the intimate area, but also for your underarm area. So hair that you're removing terminal hair from, this is brilliant. So it is a little bit thicker and richer, and this is what we call our speed healing and repair cream. Another brilliant aftercare product for your clients to use at home for about 3 days after they've had an intimate wax. And then the other one that I've got here to show you is one of my favorites, which is the aloe gel. So aloe gel is, for me, one of the essentials to have on your trolley. And it's what I finish all of my facial waxing, whether that's lip and chin or whether it's eyebrow. This has got beta-glucan in that the hospitals use to treat burns and scalds. So it's just a beautiful, clear gel without any aroma, and that will just go on and absorb and take out any redness, high color and heat that might be in the skin following a wax, which does sometimes tend to happen with some of the facial waxing. So hopefully that gives you a clearer understanding on the aftercare post wax options for your clients once they've had their waxing service with you.